Welcome back to Vampire Tries, where we try stuff. We're gonna try this one. All right, let's begin. So we're gonna open this one. We're gonna pour all that tea out of there. Now we're left with our firework. This part requires a lot of skill because one little movement and it'll fall. We can't have that, so. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna work now. It fell over. Maybe it will work. Oh. I think we just did it wrong. That was fun trying that. I can't say I'm mad or disappointed. I am indifferent.